Vital Statistics, Unit 1. Measurement of fertility. General fertility rate, meaning merits and demerits. General fertility rate. Definition. It is defined as the average number of live births occurring to 1000 women of childbearing age in a year. General fertility rate equals to number of live births in a year divided by total number of women of childbearing age in the year into 1000, where the childbearing age for women is assumed in between 15 to 49 years. Therefore, general fertility rate equals to B divided by summation of female population into 1000. Merits and demerits of general fertility rate. The merits of general fertility rate are: it is simple to understand and easy to calculate. It considers only female population of the childbearing age. It considers the sex composition of the population and also the age composition to a certain extent. The demerits of general fertility rate are: it does not consider age composition in the childbearing age. It cannot be used to compare fertility rates of two or more population. It does not indicate rate of growth of the population due to births because it is based on a part of population only. Calculation of general fertility rate. Example 1. From the following data, calculate general fertility rate. According to the formula, general fertility rate equals to number of live births in a year whole divided by number of women of childbearing age into 1000. Here, first you need to calculate the total of number of women population, that is nothing but 1 lakh, and total of number of live births, that is 7200. After applying these values in a formula, we are getting number of live births in a year as 7200 whole divided by number of women of childbearing age, that is 1 lakh, into 1000. Our answer is 72. Therefore, general fertility rate is 72 births per 1000 women of childbearing age. Example 2. From the following data, calculate general fertility rate. General fertility rate equals to number of live births in a year divided by number of women of childbearing age into 1000. Calculate the total of female population, that is 38,067, and number of live births, that is 1977. After applying number of live births in a year as 1977 divided by number of women of childbearing age as 38,067 into 1000. Answer is 51.93. Therefore, general fertility rate is 51.93 births per 1000 women of childbearing age. Here, we need to consider only the age group of 15 to 49. Example 3. Calculate general fertility rate and crude birth rate. General fertility rate equals to number of live births in a year whole divided by number of women of childbearing age into 1000. As we know, first we need to calculate the total of female population. Here male population is given, but we need to take only the population of female, and we need to consider their age from 15 to 49. 0 to 14 and 15 and above, both populations are neglected, because in general fertility rate, according to the formula, women of childbearing age relates to from 15 to 49 years only. Here total of female population is 36,320 and number of live births of only 15 to 49 years female population that we have taken earlier, it should be considered, and total is 1868. After applying into the formula, 1868 divided by 36,320 into 1000. Answer is 51.43. That is, general fertility rate is 51.43 births per 1000 women of childbearing age. Second, we need to calculate crude birth rate. Crude birth rate equals to B divided by P into 1000. Here population related to both male and female population. Therefore, we need to calculate total of male population irrespective of their age. Male population is 67,206 and female population is from 0 to total. Here we are not restricting the age, therefore total of female population is 64,060. After applying into the formula, B becomes 1868, that is nothing but total of live birth, divided by total population, that is nothing but male population and female population. 67,206 plus 64,060 into 1000 equals to 1868 divided by 1,31,266 into 1000. Therefore, crude birth rate is 14.23 per 1000 individuals.